Hi everybody, it's Sarah Cray with Let's Make Art and I teach watercolor, and today I'm going to show you how to do some super easy holiday cards because maybe we want to paint cards, maybe we want to do crafts with beginner painters, and we just want something that's quick and cute and an easy way to get to make someone smile, okay?
Sounds great.
So the very first project we're going to do is a Rudolph card, okay? This is what we're going for here.
So cute.
It is so cute, and it just takes a few minutes. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take red paint. I'll list the supplies in the description if you need to know exactly what I'm using. And then I'm going to take a lid or a circle, anything that will create the circle shape that I want. So this is just a lid off of a random paint thing, but you can use whatever you have. And then I'm just going to dip the edges in the red paint, okay? And then 2/3 of the way down and in the center of my painting, I'm just going to stamp it. Okay?
Easy enough.
Easy enough. Then you're going to take a round paintbrush and I'm going to start smearing this round paint, avoiding the top left and top right, so there'll be glares. So I'm just pulling the paint in. Okay? And then I'm going to drop in some more red paint to make that nice and vibrant. And there's our Rudolph nose, which is super cute. Okay? I love this so much. Okay, and now we're going to do the antlers. So I'm going to mix red and yellow and Payne's gray to get brown, because brown is essentially dark orange. So you just make an orange and then add black to it. So I have red, yellow, and a tiny bit of Payne's gray. Okay. And if it's reading too red, where you don't like how red the brown is, if you mix in green, it will neutralize that brown. Okay. So then about halfway on my painting, I'm going to use a round 6. And I'm just going to start with thick marks that just kind of get thinner as they branch out. Okay. And you can kind of create a sharp edge for the top of the head, and then kind of mirrored on the other side, same thing. And your antlers don't have to match, so you don't need to stress about that. And it's okay if your lines get a little wonky. Okay?
Beautiful.
And now we just add the eyes. So I'm going to take a round 6 and I'm going to use black or Payne's gray or whatever color that you want. And I always like to start small because you can always make eyes bigger. So if I want to do like little eyes, you can. Or if you want to make them a little bit bigger, it's up to you. You can even do googly eyes. And that's it. That's our Rudolph card.
It's beautiful.
Isn't it so cute? And then I thought it would be cute if you did like a string of lights in between here.
Oh, yeah.
Or, you know what I mean? Like you can do ornaments off. You can do a little smile if you want. But I think like just leaving the nose bright red is super fun and cute. But this is just a fun little card that you can do with anybody. And it just takes a few minutes. And now you have a hand-painted Christmas card or holiday card to send out.
Love it.
So thanks so much for joining me. See you guys next time.